Tape my fingers together. Can you put this up there so we can talk to the camera? Hey, I can do that. Hey guys. I got the video. Just skipped into school. Taping our fingers together. Waiting for Holly to get her fucking food stamps. Look at this dumb bitch. She looks like a crust. My door's open. My door's open, dog. Where's your baby daddy at, huh? Yeah, he left you, didn't he? Shut up, dog. That little ugly ass kid. Shut up, dog. No, dog, okay? I just maybe I would shut up if I wasn't strapped to the chair. Can you take my fingers together? I can't, my arm is stuck. My voice just cracked. I like tape, dog. Can you please take my fingers together? I can't, my arm is stuck. My voice is cracked. There you go. Please, just help me. No, it's back on the arm. That's my hair. Ow! Ow! Amber, please. It hurts. Amber! Yeah? It's on my hair. On my... Ow! Ow! This is stuck on my arm now. Ow! Ow! Get rid of that shit. Sure, we'll just put it in Holly's cup. We don't know what happened.